Welcome, everybody, to another episode of the 2 Minute Drill with yours truly, no risk, no premium guys. Today is going to be a special edition of the 2 Minute Drill, and it might be a little bit longer than 2 minutes, but I think you should sit in and hold on for the entire ride because it will be well worth it, especially with what is coming up tomorrow. It is on everybody's calendar. If they have any mind to what the market does tomorrow, guys, FMOC. Okay. Chairman Powell will be speaking at 11:30. The statements from the meeting will come out at 11 a.m. So that is going to be 2 p.m. Eastern. Excuse me. I'm on the West Coast. 2 p.m. Eastern. The statements start coming out from the meeting. 2:30 p.m. Eastern is when he will come out and speak and make the remarks. So, guys, what I want to do is just take us back, right, to the last FMOC, right? How we played it in our community. And what we knew was coming and how we can expect or get an expectation of what we should, expect tomorrow, right? So if you actually go back and look, May 3rd and May 4th was the last FMOC meeting. Okay, this is May 3rd right here. Okay, this is May 4th. So May 3rd they started the meeting. So May 3rd would be like today. Okay, today being Tuesday, right? And then tomorrow being over here, the actual FMOC meeting, May 4th, which will actually be tomorrow, June 15th. Okay. But I just want to put in for measure today. What did we do today? We had a nice range today, right? We found a nice range pretty much between 378 and 373. Okay. We dipped below 373 there for a second, but then we popped right back up, closed at around, 374 area. And then what happens on the FMOC? Well, typically there's going to be a move in the morning, usually goes down right into one of the trend lines that was from the range of the day before. So as you see here in the morning, we had a nice move down. Okay. And then you saw from about 9:15, here's about 12 noon Eastern up until the meeting comes at 2 p.m. We just get in this nice range. And this is the 15-minute chart on SPY. Okay. And then what happens right at 2 p.m.? Now it's going to say 11 o'clock on my chart. Like I said, guys, I'm on the West Coast. But what happens right at 2 o'clock? Well, with this candle, first off, we went up on a fake out. Then it brought us down. Then it brought us right back to the middle. So there's going to be, I call it, the market has an aneurysm right when it comes out. Okay. There's always a overreaction move, okay, on a shorter time frame. Then what did it do on the next 15-minute time frame? It did the same thing almost, except it was a little bit more bullish. So what it did initially was fake you out over your resistance level that you got at 418, right? So we see support 413, right? 414 and the resistance 418. So it wanted to try to shake you out both ways. So if you flipped your hips long here and then it started cratering down, then you went, shit, I need to buy puts, and then it popped you back up, right? It just got you all over the place. So guys, the first move is typically a fake out. Recently, there's been a second move, and it's been a fake out as well, because look at this here. Then we have in one candle, 419 to 416 on a 15-minute candle, then bring you back up, right? Then here is where it gets interesting. Powell starts speaking. He starts giving the remarks to the media 30 minutes after the statements are posted. Okay. And that comes at 2:30. Then we had what? An initial major fake down, all the way to the bottom of the support that was from the range of the day before. Okay. Then they brought it all the way up and they ripped it from 414 to 429, 15 points. They brought it up. Okay. So guys, why do we keep saying all week long? Listen, this week is Vixpiration. It's quad witching. It's FMOC. I mean, we are going to have such volatility. The VIX has gone from 20 to 35, okay, in a few days, right? Volatility is massive. It's massive right now, okay? So then what happened after we ran it up, okay? This is when we had our 50 basis point hike, by the way, okay? Well, then they brought it right back down. Now, I'm not saying they're going to do exactly this tomorrow as far as rip it higher to bring it back down. But what I am saying, guys, is you need to pay attention on the reaction of the news. Okay. If you have your lines from the day before today already out and ready to go, you'll see that tomorrow will probably follow this similar trend. Now, I'm not saying it's going to fake down and go up or fake up. I'm just telling you the trend is to have trappy moves on both ends. So being patient is most important for especially tomorrow. Okay, especially tomorrow. Now, let's zoom it out here. Let's just come out to the daily. Okay, let's come down here. So what do we do today? What did we do today? We'll go to the 30-minute chart. Oop, wow. Oh, wow. It really wants me. Wow, don't make me zoom all the way. Yes, it's going to make me zoom all the way or scroll it. Sorry, guys. Okay. So what do we do today? Well, I would probably start writing my trend lines like this. Okay. I would probably do this just for just to be ahead of tomorrow. Wow, what is going on here? I'm sorry, guys. My mouse just had an aneurysm itself. I would probably go like this. I'd probably put a price level at the prior day's high. Okay. This, I put one here, and then I put one at this low. Okay. And then I put one where the bodies of these candles kind of ended here today. Okay. This is the range of the area I'd be watching all the way from 370 to 380. Now that's a wider range, but tomorrow you'll get a glimpse on what could happen, right? Especially with the pre-market. The pre-market will likely not go above 376 and likely not go below 370. Okay. Or the overnight session. Okay. So tomorrow you'll want to get some more levels on your screen, and you'll want to see, hey, do we follow and stay in between, pretty much 378? I would say the 373 is going to be my prediction for tomorrow. They might try to get you on a fake down to 370. Okay. But guys, that's how we're going to play it tomorrow. Okay. And then I personally, guys, I don't even wake up there's one FOMC meeting every 6-8 weeks or whatever. That is the one day for every 6 and 8 weeks that I sleep in personally. I don't even sleep in. I just don't get to my computer when I normally do. I have a lazy morning, take a dog on the walk, enjoy your breakfast, watch the market, watch everybody try to flip flop and get literally destroyed before the move even happens. Okay. Now, I'm not saying that you can't go in and trade it in the morning and make money. I'm not saying that at all. But if you're not a scalper, okay, then a range is going to kill you. Okay, I'm just going to say that again. If you're not a scalper, then a range is going to kill you. So why would you trade it? If you know there's going to be a continuation move or a larger move happen, okay, then why just wait and be patient? Okay, be patient. All right. So I'll personally get on about an hour to 30 minutes to an hour before I'll start typing. I'll start giving my response. I'll start checking sentiment. Then about 15 minutes before I'll start loading up my watch list, right? And I'll load about 10 strikes on each side because you don't know what's going to happen. You have no idea when it's going to bottom or top. You have no idea where it's going to go. So you have to make sure you have all your strikes ready to go. Okay. And then I'll get on live and then we'll trade it live and we'll talk through what's happening. Okay. So guys, tomorrow, don't rush into anything. Please, if you're a scalper, have some fun. Okay. And if you're not, and it's your first one, I would suggest watching and listening and learning. Okay. It's never wrong. Guys, if you don't make money tomorrow, listen, the market opens at the same time on Friday. And then you know what? Even if you didn't make money on Friday, you didn't take a trade, it opens again on Monday. And it's going to do that for probably the rest of our lives. So stop thinking you got to make $1 million in one day and just get consistent. Okay. If you didn't even take a trade today, but you make $10,000 tomorrow, do you care about today? Okay, that should tell you everything you need to know right there. Okay, guys. So other than that, the levels are still pretty much the same here, guys. I'd say 370, 373, 376, 380. I mean, those are really the big levels of the area that we're in right now. Now, just from a macro perspective, we want to zoom out, just a tad bit. We have these two massive gaps. So 381 to 390, 395, all the way to 401. Now, I'm not saying they get filled tomorrow, but if we get to ripping tomorrow and the market wants to squeeze up because of the reaction to the FOMC, then we have a lot of upside potential here. Okay, guys, that's all I wanted to say today. I hope you guys crushed it today. Get your homework out. Get it done tonight. Watch the video. Be present. Don't do anything stupid. And I will see you guys tomorrow to bank. Peace.